All right, how's everybody doing out there today? This is Dan Muscarella, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a Google Meet link into your Schoology class. All right, so first thing that you want to do is on the Google homepage, you want to click on the waffle icon, which is located over by your beautiful little picture or avatar or whatever you have over there. And somewhere in there, you'll see this little Meet icon. So you're going to go to Meet and click on that. Then you're going to join or start a meeting. Oh, look at the beach, the pool. Isn't it nice? Although there's a cactus there, so that must be in the out west. Who knows? All right, so I'm going to give my class a nickname, and there's advantages to nicknaming a class because with a nickname, the way I understand it, is that kids can't get in there before you are. So that's cool. And it also works if you're in a team teaching situation, or perhaps if you have a sub and they know the code. So the adults are in the room first before the kids can get in there. So I'm going to nickname my class, My Awesome Team. All right, so that's going to be the name of this class. Now, I'm going to go ahead and click continue. And there you are. So that's our Google class right there. Or not Google. This is going to be our Google Meet. So I would go ahead and join now. And then once I'm in, my students can hop in and do all those things. All right. So here's what we're going to need to do. I'm going to show you two different ways to kind of go through that. Let me make sure to mute the microphone here because I don't want that feedback coming. But one of the ways to get into your Schoology course, so you're going to have all of your classes and everything, and we're going to play around in the sandbox, and I'm going to show you first how to do it using the Append Announcement. So what you're going to need to do for that is come up with this part right here. So some people will have a table, some will just have, however you want to organize it, it's best for you. What I decided to do is make a table and then get rid of the grid lines on it, so that way everything is spaced nicely and neatly. But whatever works for you, you do you. So we've got our little icon right here for Google, and then I also put the words down here for the Google Class Meet. So we're going to link that to both of those. Now there's two ways to do that. And if you're going to use the nickname feature, that's going to be a little bit more advanced. But if you're not going to use the nickname, you're just going to simply copy that code right there. So Control-C to copy, and then come on over to paste it, and you would copy that link there. So insert a link, Control-V to paste it, and you would apply that. And that would take them directly to that. But they could get in before you because they didn't use the nickname that you gave it. So if you're going to use a nickname feature because you like that added security of that, you can change that. So we're going to remove that link, and I'm going to show you how to do that next. What we're going to do in order to do that, you're going to create this link here, http://g.co/meet/, and then you have to remember your nickname. So I'm going to go back here just real quickly to make sure I have it. And oh yeah, it's My Awesome Team. So I'm going to then paste, or type that and paste that. And then you hit enter, and notice that's going to create a hyperlink. So from here, you can see this little piece right here. You're going to copy that link. So I'm going to copy that. And then I'm going to go to the icon first. And I'm going to right click on the icon and go to link. And then I'm going to paste that link right there. Now, because not all kids are visual like that, some might look at the words and want to go that way. So I'll also paste that same link using the same features there for that. Now, if you're going to do this with multiple classes, you may want to make a note to yourself, like this is your block 1. And then you would do the same thing again for your block 2 class with, a little bit different name here at the end. So that piece would be the only part that would be different for your block 2 or your other class. Now, once I've got that all set up here in this this Google Doc, I'm going to select these pieces right here. So this is going to be on my landing page, my pinned announcement. I'm going to select that, and I'm going to Control-C to copy it, and then I'm going to go into my Schoology course, and we're going to play around here in Muskie Sandbox. So hopefully the sandbox will open, and yes, over here on the left-hand side, you'll see updates. So I'm going to click on updates. And from here, Once it loads, you're simply going to go into this box that is here at the top, and you're going to paste it by hitting Control V. And then here's where you have to be careful. Right here, this little spot before you hit post, if you want it pinned, you have to select the little bell, and that will pin that announcement. And then when I post that, that announcement will always be the one that's pinned there until I change it, You'll also see it below right here. So, okay, I just posted this, and you can see another post I made the other day. But the one that's pinned will continue to stay there. So that's one option, is to pin that using the update feature. Now, another option that you could use is the materials link. So if I go to materials, what I could do on here is go to add materials. Now I'm going to show you two different ways. You can either do it as a page or as a materials link. So it's up to you. So first we will do the add a page. So if we add a page, of course we have to name the page. So Google Meet, I'm going to call it block 3. And then right here I would say the same thing. I would almost do something similar, and I would put this link here. Now in that link, I'm going to paste the same link that I had before. So if I have to go back and get it, that's why it's really helpful to put it down here in your Google Doc. So I can either select it like that or just hit the little copy link button, go back here, and then there's the link, Control V, my awesome team, and then this is Google Meet for block 3. So we would type that in there, do insert, and you'll see this little hyperlink right there. And then when I'll hit create. So that just created a page that has that. So when you do that, you'll notice that shows up all the way down at the bottom of your stream. So if you want students, or you want to see it first, then you need to drag, so you can just drag that around to put it wherever you want. So that's one option, using the materials page piece. So if I click on material, the Google Meet for block 3, you'll see a hyperlink in here. But for me, that's like way too many steps. And again, as we think about ways to build relationships and connections with students, one thing that's really going to help, and also help you, is going to click less. So that's one option, is to use that. The one I like a little bit better, if you're going to use that technique, is to add a link. Okay, add file, link, external tools. So we're going to go down here, select that, and then the same thing. We'll insert a link, and then we'll type in the code, so Control V, because that's still there, and I'll just call it block 3 Google Meet. Okay, and then I'll add that. Boom, diggity, done. And then again, that's going to show up all the way at the bottom. So here, we've got this option. You see this little link icon. So from there, boom, you just click on that link, and it'll take you there. Well, it should take you there. Maybe you have to click on that other link that then pops up. So I guess it's 2 links no matter what. That's strange. So, and you can see when you log in, you'll see this piece right here. It says, My Awesome Team. So you can tell that you are in the right Google Meet. So that's a quick way to go ahead and get your Google Meet links into Schoology. And I'm going to give you another short video after this one that shows you how to open up a Google Meet when Schoology is down. So be sure to check out that one. All right, thanks so much for watching today. You guys have a great afternoon, a great morning, or good evening, whatever it is. Just make it a great day. And I'll catch you later. Peace out.